In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a post on Substack. We're going to walk through a quick, clean workflow for creating a note and saving it as a draft, so you can come back to it later without publishing it right away. Start by opening Substack in your browser or in the app. From your home dashboard, locate the Create button. This is usually at the top right, and click it. A small menu will appear with several choices. Substack gives you different formats depending on what you want to share. Note for short, fast updates, article for longer pieces, video and podcast for multimedia posts, live for real-time interactions, and recording studio if you plan to capture audio directly. For this tutorial, we're keeping it simple, so choose Note. Go ahead and click Note. This opens a lightweight editor that's designed for brief thoughts, quick announcements, or links you want to pass along to your audience. In the editor, type what's on your mind. Keep it conversational and focused. If it helps tell your story, you can also include images or video to add context or visual interest. Media can make even a short note more engaging, especially if you're referencing something your readers might want to see. As you write, don't worry about perfecting every word right now. The goal is to capture your idea. Most importantly, do not post it yet. Remember, we're keeping this as a draft. Avoid clicking any buttons that publish or share the note. Leaving it unpublished ensures no one receives it before you're ready. When you're done drafting, click outside the post area to exit the active typing field. This helps bring up the general controls around your note. Now click Save as Draft. Saving locks in your current progress without sending it to your subscribers. Drafts are private to you, which means you can return later to refine wording, adjust formatting, or decide whether to add more media before you eventually publish. That's the whole flow. Open Substack, click Create, select Note, write your content with optional images or video, don't post it yet, click outside the editor, and choose Save as Draft. With your draft safely saved, you can revisit it anytime to polish and publish when it's truly ready.